So I'm doing a 2-year review on this hardtop gazebo. So this thing is fantastic. It has withstood a ton of rain, hail, as well as wind, and I had no issues with it falling over. The only issues that I've had, if you can tell, these are the old curtains here, and now on the sunny side here, they have started to turn purple. So if you can see the big difference in the different curtains. So that's not a big deal. Just every year, just remember to take them inside and store them for the winter. Or rotate them a bit because they are a completely different color. I wish they didn't fade with the sun, but it stood up really well. I had no issues with it blowing over. I had no issues with anything bending or breaking, and it still looks as beautiful the day it is today other than the curtains than the day we installed it. This is the 10-foot by 12-foot Kozyard Pavilion. It is in gray color. It's made of aluminum. My husband and I put this together in about 2 or 3 days over a weekend. It is fantastic. We love it. It's great to our backyard. You can see it has the netting. So if you're out in the evenings, it can keep the bugs out. If you can close those up and zip them. And then if it's too sunny, you can close some of the heavier curtains to block out the light. There are 2 hooks up on the top. We have a light hanging from one of the hooks. You could hang a fan from there. The rain stays off. It is just a really great addition to our backyard, and we love spending time out here. It makes it so cozy,